Good afternoon. This is Pastor Barbara, aka Preacher with Parrots. Today is May 10th, Sunday, about 4:30 Pacific time, about a half hour before our afternoon broadcast. I saw that both Mama and Daddy were gone from the nest box, so it would be a good time to share the babies in this last clutch without upsetting Mama and Daddy. This first one, the one that's looking right at me, he's not looking at the camera, but he's looking right at me, is our firstborn. He was born a week ago today, which was May 3rd. And I always look at the crop to see how well fed they are. And right here under the head that I'm pointing at is the crop. And underneath there is the stomach. Let's see if I can show them to you. The crop is where there we go. The crop is where the food goes temporarily. The top one right here. And then it goes into the tummy. So I always check first to make sure that that crop right there is full. And this is baby. Baby is yellow. Our last one from our previous hutch was this color and turned out to be the spitting image of Mama. The second one, our second one was not born. It would have been born Tuesday, the 5th. It was completely formed in the egg. The egg darkened, and when I opened it, it was DIS, dead in shell, but completely formed. The parents have both been sitting on water and then sitting on the babies, which is an indication that they needed more humidity, and that can be one of the reasons for shell turning dark. It's a little impossible to know, but then on Thursday came along our white little baby, and if my research is correct, a white little baby like this, born of a white-faced male and a normal cinnamon gray female, would be a white face, but we don't know. So this is number 3. This is Bennett or Benet. And let's check the crop. There's a fat crop and a fat belly. So this is from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is a healthy baby, which will probably be a white face. And this little guy was born Saturday, yesterday, which would have been the 9th. And he's got a crop. So he is 1 day old. And I'm not a very good photographer. But there's the crop and the belly. And this is another yellow one. He is 1 day and a couple hours old. And this is the egg, which should hatch, if they'll get off of it, tomorrow, about noon. And that will be Buttercup, and that will finish it off. Mom and Daddy have been eating a lot of fresh vegetables because it makes baby food a lot faster than going through seeds. And now they have, between the two of them, 3 babies to feed, and we'll soon have 4. So just want to share them with you. Let me separate them a little so you can see them move. But they'll wind up in a pile again. So until next time, this is Preacher with Parrots. Blessings on you.